Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to show you my Elite ring toss game. So I love that it comes in this nice little compact bag, so easy to take with you. You can play this indoors, outdoors, take it with you camping, just throw it in the back of your car. It takes up almost no space. It's a really great quality as well, and very simple to put together. So my 11-year-old son put it together with no instructions, just goes together in under a minute. Very, very simple. And it's easy to play too. So you can kind of customize it to play with whatever age group you're working with. So if you're working with little guys, just have them toss nice and close to the game. But you can also make it way more challenging for adults by standing further back. So I love that it's a game that the whole family can enjoy. Get off the devices, get outside, enjoy some family time. This is such a great option for summer, and I think you should check them out. And that's my point of view.